Hey guys, how's it going? Today, we are going to learn how to season our cast iron skillet. Now when I say season, I don't mean adding salt or pepper to the pan, but adding a form of fat to it and baking it. So why do we do it? The short answer is to protect our pan long term and make it easier to cook with. Cast iron has a rough, uneven surface that makes it easy for food particles to get stuck. When we bake oil into the pan, we're creating a plastic seal, effectively making the pan non-stick, easier to clean, and better to cook with. To season our cast iron, all we need is some paper towel, a foil-lined baking sheet, and a little bit of canola oil. So let's get started. We're just going to grab our cast iron skillet and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Take our paper towel and evenly distribute the oil over all the surfaces inside the pan, including the sides. You do not want to have any standing oil in the pan. All right, nice and glossy. At this point, we're going to put it in our 350-degree oven facing down, and we're going to put the foil-lined baking sheet underneath to catch any oil drippings. Allow it to bake in there for 1 hour. When it's done, turn off the oven and let your cast iron completely cool before you pull it out. Alright folks, it has now been about 5 hours since our cast iron went into the oven. It should be nice and cooled off, so I'm going to reach in and grab it out. It's not going to look much different than before, it just has a nice glossy finish to it. But this baby is ready to go. My recommendation would be to season your cast iron after every use. You don't have to do this, you can season it when it becomes no longer non-stick, but my recommendation would be after every use. Now you don't have to use the baking method, you can season it on the stovetop as well by adding your oil to the pan, dividing it evenly on the surfaces, and heating it to a smoking point before turning it off. But you can always do the baking method as well. Alright, get out there, use your cast iron.